Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT R19 and let me share with you how to activate the demo mode on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's enter Advanced and enter developer options. If you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, they are usually not active. So all you have to do right now is to simply enter the about phone, keep tapping on the build number, which is at the very bottom of the list, and then you will activate the developer options. If you're not sure of what I've just said, then just check the tutorial of how to enable the developer options. We've got it on our channel, so let's check it and come back to this video. So now we can enter the developer options, and here we have to scroll down to find the System UI demo mode. Let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got two different options which we can choose, which we can activate. So first of all, after tapping on this switcher at the very top, we can enable the demo mode without actually showing it. So as we can see on the status bar, we do not have any changes actually. And if you'd like to show the demo mode, obviously just tap on this switcher here, and first of all we can see the changes on the status bar. So the hour is halted on the 9 o'clock. What's more, all of the icons are in their full state. So this is how the demo mode looks like here. Of course you can hide it, but still keep it turned on just by tapping on the switcher here, and you can turn it off completely just by tapping on this one. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the demo mode in your CUBOT R19. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.